Do you want your handwriting to look neater while you are writing? Samsung Note has a handwriting help feature that can guide and adjust your handwriting in real time. Let me show you how it works. First, open Samsung Note. Open a note where you want to write with your S Pen. For this example, let's create a new one. Swipe through the toolbar and find the handwriting help icon. Then tap it. This activate handwriting help. You can tap the settings icon to customize how it works. Here you will find 3 options, each with an on or off switch. The first one is Smart Guideline. When enabled, Samsung Note provides a guideline to help keep your handwriting aligned as you write. Next, there's Align Letters. This helps keep your handwritten letters aligned while you are writing. And the third option is Fix the shape of letter. This helps adjust the shape of your handwritten letter as you write. You can turn on the option you want to use. As the example, let's turn on all these options. Here you can also tap the settings icon next to the language to choose another language. Then tap done to save the change. Now let's see how it works. Write something with the S Pen. As I write with the S Pen, you can see the guideline helping me keep my handwriting straight. The letters are also being aligned and their shape are adjusted in real time. So instead of writing first and fixing your handwriting afterward, handwriting help can assist you while you are writing. And that's how to use handwriting help to make your handwriting neater in Samsung Note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.